Meet the Pelegrine falcon, the fastest bird in the earth. When this incredible bird dives, it can reach speed of over 240 miles per hour, faster than any other animal in the world. Its sharp vision lets it spot prey from high above, and its streamlined wings help it cut through the air with incredible speed and precision. With its amazing agility, the Pelegrine falcon can swoop down and catch prey with astonishing accuracy. The Pelegrine falcon is truly nature's speed champion. For more fascinating facts, be sure to like, share, and subscribe.